Hello, I'm Paul Carey from the airline. I'm here to pick up Captain Kramer.
Oh, yes. Come in, Paul. Rex will be right out. Shep, sit. So I understand you have a real emergency down there.
Yeah, something like that. But as I say, they didn't have time to tell me very much.
Shep, no. I'll bet you have exciting things happen all the time down there.
Well, the airline business does have its moments, but after a while, you begin to get used to it.
Shep, come. He gets so excited when new people are here. Are you a pilot yourself?
No, I'm in a training program.
It's unbelievable. Just unbelievable. How many times I've warned those people about food inspection?
You'd think after all these years someone would listen to you.
Oh, well, airport management, the FAA, and the airlines. Oh, cheats and liars. All right, let's get out of here.